frustrated that you can't find anything else like it?
With Final Touches, you're just a click away from uncovering the hidden genre of any artwork.
Final Touches can help you identify many genres: romanticism, realism, cubism, pop art, and many more.
Whether you're an art enthusiast or just stepping into the world of art, Final Touches simplifies the complex work of art classification into easy steps. Just snap a photo or upload one to our website and let Final Touches do the work. Start classifying art like a pro with Final Touches. Visit our website today.
All right. So that was our little trailer. And now we're going to jump into our presentation that was pre-recorded because all of our members are gone right now.
We are the Laughing Llamas, and our project was Final Touches.
Hi, I'm Aaron. I did the back end and a bit of the front end.
Hello, I'm Eric. I did mainly the model training for our project.
Hi, I'm Hugh, and I did mostly backend.
Hi, I'm John. I did most of the front end and a little bit of back end.
And this is Tara. He was our instructor. Background. So we chose to develop an art genre identification CV model for several reasons. Firstly, it was a unique and interesting idea that excited all team members. Also, it offered an opportunity to delve into a new subject while exploring artificial intelligence. Lastly, we found it intriguing to create a new and innovative way of connecting people around the world with art.
And we had to create a minimum viable product. And we began by collecting data. We scraped about 2,300 images from Google Images to create our own data set. And we used data augmentation to increase that amount to about 5,000. Then we had to create and train a model on these images. It was designed to recognize the genre of art in an image. Along the training process, we had to fix and tune any issues that came up. And once the model was done training, we created a website, put the model in it, and pushed it to the net. So along the way, we had a couple problems and we had to fix them. The most major one was creating our data set. We had to make our own because we searched for a while on the online. We couldn't find any that quite matched our requirements. Our data loader, we had to write our own because the one that was given to us just didn't quite work. And the documentation, we're using the ResNet 50 model by Microsoft, and even though it's a very popular model for computer vision, documentation for it wasn't that great, so we had to figure many things out for ourselves.
Here are some of our training results. As you can see, our accuracy went up steadily over our training, which is to be expected. However, our loss graph looks a little interesting. This is mainly because we're using ResNet 50 model already trained by Microsoft, so a lot of the training on the loss portion has already been done beforehand. So even though there are some spikes, it stayed generally pretty stable throughout the entirety of training. Here are some example predictions that we ran with our model. Both the Baroque and pop art style have very distinguishing features about them that our model is able to pick up on very well, therefore granting them a 100% prediction. That is very accurate. However, something like the Mona Lisa, which is kind of both a blend of genres and specifically of the two genres, Romanticism and Renaissance, which are already relatively similar, causes our AI to get a little bit confused, predicting Mona Lisa, which is a painting most people would consider to be Renaissance Romanticism painting, which is to be expected because the two styles are very similar.
We had some limitations while we were working on our project. Firstly, our model was only trained on 8 different types of genres, where there are a lot more than those 8. Also, some of the styles of art, such as Romanticism and Renaissance, has similar styles, and the model had hard time differentiating those two genres. And lastly, we only had about 5,000 images in our dataset since we made it on our own. For our future improvement, we can improve our accuracy from 80%, which is the accuracy the model is currently on. To do that, we need more images in the dataset so it is large enough to improve our computer vision model's accuracy. And we can increase our training epochs since our model is still underfitting the data. And this is our website and the QR code for the website.
All right, thank you for watching that. And finally, I'm gonna give a little demo of our website. So this is our homepage, and as you scroll through, a lot of this is information that we explained on our slides. So talking about how it's a pre-trained model, this was our commercial video, and then opportunity kind of talks about our background, our solution to the problem, the data, and how we scraped the website, and then of course meeting the team, and then some graphs of our accuracy and loss of our 100 epochs of training. So I'm gonna just do a couple little demos with some photos I already picked out. So the first one's a surrealist image, and as you can see, our model predicts it to be surrealism with 100% confidence. And then it gives a quick little summary of what surrealism is and some important artists. And then if I do another image, like Renaissance, you can see this one's a little bit less confident with only 63%, but it also gives you some information. And then below, we have our confusion matrix kind of telling you if something wasn't as confident or accurate as you would like. It explains how some art styles are kind of have mixed features, making it hard for our model to identify. And yeah, thank you for listening to our presentation.